take a look what you can buy from internet. A DIY kit with lot of electronic components, a PCB board, USB cable, speaker, and what is it? The model is HY009 BLE speaker electronic component DIY kit 2-inch box. It says 3 watts. You can choose mono or dual stereo mini speaker suite with shell. It's around $5. I found it interesting. I ordered it, and of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles. Sorry. Ooh, everything is in this big zip bag. A tiny speaker. An instruction manual. The electronic components. And the case or shell. Everything is described very well in the instruction manual with step by step. Also is included the circuit diagram and where the electronic components goes on the PCB. This one is the Bluetooth, audio Bluetooth receiver, and a bunch of electronic components that I need to solder, and that is the fun part. I need to solder on the printed circuit board. And by the way, take a look at the quality of the printed circuit board, and you can make and order this kind of PCB at today's sponsor of the video, which is JLC PCB. JLC PCB, the reliable global leader in PCB manufacturing and assembly. From prototypes to full-scale production, JLC PCB delivers top-quality boards with precision, speed, and unbeatable prices. Enjoy advanced options like multicolor PCBs, stencil services, and assembly all in one place. Register today to get $70 in coupons, plus save $7 on your multicolor PCB order. Trusted by millions of engineers worldwide, JLCPCB.com makes innovation faster, easier, and more reliable than ever. Start your project with confidence today. Okay, we have the cables, the speaker, the PCB, we have the case, and we have all the electronic components like LEDs, resistors, connectors, push buttons, audio Bluetooth receiver that need to be soldered on this board. We're gonna start from that. You can see on the printed circuit board that everything is marked where each component goes where. And right now I'm placing the resistors. Next step is adding the capacitors, and be careful, these electronic components have two sides, positive and negative. Remember that. Okay. Oh, I made a little mistake. I need first to solder this SMD electronic component. Now will be a little bit difficult, but I will do it. I did it. Okay, next is adding and soldering this KA2284 LED VU meter integrated chip. Okay, and also I will solder the audio Bluetooth receiver right here. I am almost finished. Just to add now the push buttons. Also I will add the 3.5mm audio jack and the main switch. I finished soldering all the electronic components on the PCB board, and also I have added the speaker with the wire. Also we have a connector for external speaker right here, and on this connector we're gonna hook up 5 volts, or you can solder directly this USB to 2-wire positive and negative. I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm gonna add wires and hook up on my power supply. And we have the volume knob, 3 push buttons for play, pause, previous and next track. Also we have the LED indicator for sound. And now it's time to assemble everything in the case. But first I need to peel it off this protection on the pieces. Take a look. They look amazing. And they are laser cut plexiglass pieces, so we can make a case for today DIY kit project. Call it DIY Bluetooth speaker, and let's do that. It's a little bit heavy for my solar turntable, but it's working and you can see it in 360 degrees. Turned out awesome. And time for testing now. As I told you, you can use external wires or you can use the USB cable that comes in DIY kit. Also, it's included aux cable, so you can put audio input in this jack, but I'm gonna connect it with my smartphone through Bluetooth. It's time for powering. Where is my USB cable? Here it is. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh! I can hear the sound. Yes, it's connected for audio. Beautiful. Let's play some music now. Let's try it. Oh, working. Next track. Can I pause from here? Yes, good. With the LED indicator, it's looking amazing and it's doing a great job. By the way, it's transparent Bluetooth speaker. It's awesome. Let's try the next track. Alright. Sorry for this kind of music tracks, but I need to use them because of the copyright strike. Nice, nice. I love it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!